Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special for capturing those fleeting moments. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera Pastel Blue Holiday Bundle 2024. This isn't just a camera, it's an entire experience packed into one delightful package. And honestly, it's hard not to be charmed by it from the moment you see it. First off, let's talk about the camera itself. The Instax Mini 12 in pastel blue is simply adorable. Its rounded, bubbly design feels fantastic in the hand, and that soft blue color just screams fun and nostalgia. It's designed for simplicity, making it incredibly user-friendly. You literally just point, shoot, and watch your memories come to life in seconds. A standout feature of the Mini 12 is its automatic exposure. This means the camera intelligently adjusts shutter speed and flash brightness to match ambient light, ensuring perfectly exposed photos whether indoors or out. No more fiddling, it just works. Plus, it has a built-in close-up mode with a twist lens, perfect for selfies or detailed shots, and a small mirror helps frame your self-portraits. Now, what makes this the Holiday Bundle 2024 such incredible value? It comes absolutely loaded. You're not just getting the camera, you're getting a Fuji Instax mini film value pack with a whopping 60 sheets. That's enough film to start snapping away right out of the box and capture dozens of memories without needing to buy extra film immediately. This is a huge plus, especially if gifting it, as the recipient can start using it instantly. To keep everything pristine, the bundle also includes a microfiber cleaning cloth, a thoughtful addition for maintaining that beautiful lens and camera body. Considering the entire package, the item weight of 2.6 pounds makes sense. It feels substantial, like you're getting a complete, high-quality kit. This bundle is truly designed for anyone who loves tangible memories, from teenagers at parties to families documenting vacations, or even creative individuals. It brings back that wonderful feeling of holding a physical photograph, something digital images often can't replicate. Imagine capturing a candid moment with friends, then instantly handing them a print. It's a magical experience that never gets old. This Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Holiday Bundle is more than just a gadget. It's a gateway to creating and sharing joy. It's an ideal gift for the upcoming holiday season, or simply a fantastic treat for yourself to add instant magic to your everyday life. It's about slowing down, appreciating the moment, and having a physical keepsake to cherish forever. If you're looking for an instant camera that combines style, ease of use, and incredible value, this bundle is definitely one to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.